How to transfer OS to a SSD on macOS. Open the Finder. Type Disk Utility in the search bar and open the Disk Utility. Select the SSD. Click Erase. Type a new name for your hard drive optional. Select Format. Click Erase. Open SuperDuper website. Site link in video description. Click Download. Install SuperDuper. Open SuperDuper. Select your Mac's current hard drive under Copy. Select the SSD next to 2. Select Backup all files. Click Copy now. Type your user password. Click Copy. Click OK. SuperDuper is a simple and free program that allows you to clone your hard drive on Mac. Thanks for watching video.